Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. Today, I've got not just one, but 4 TMG Volunteers rolling out of the shop. And hey, the old Volunteer is quickly becoming our best-selling backyard pit. It's pretty easy to tell why, so let's check it out. Now, first off here, the Volunteer, damn, it's a nice barbecue smoker. Hey, can I have this C4? Thanks, buddy. Okay, yeah, I guess so. All right, well, anyways, guys, the TMG Volunteer quickly becoming our best-selling pit for a couple reasons. First off, we'll start with the firebox here. Big old firebox. All right, we got 26 inches long, 24 inches in diameter, 3/8 thick steel. So extra heavy duty firebox. And the smoke chamber, it's extra as well. So we got 52 inches wide, 27 inches deep. Big smoke chamber here. 2 sliding trays, of course. Guys, I'll tell you one thing. At TMG, we will never make you pay extra for that top grate. I've got a folding front shelf here. Folds up, locks in place. Fold it back down out of the way just like that when you're done. You got a fold down stack on this side. Hey guys, as you can see here, we got this one set up on casters. $44.99 on casters, or you get it on the off-road package, throw your couple upgrades on there like the griddle top, stainless steel front shelf, and some badass wheels and tires, and you got one heck of a rig over there, guys. Hey, that's our TMG Volunteer. They're rolling out every day. Hey, call us, get you one, buddy.